Hello, you guys. I've been gone for a week. I just got back about 20 minutes ago. I went on a cruise and I'm about to go check on the chickens. I have been itching to get myself home to check on my garden and my chickens. And I'm about to come out here and see if I got any eggs. It is so overgrown over here. Oh my God. Let's see here. Hello, you guys. How y'all been? I know it's been a while since y'all seen me. It's been a minute. Look at them. They done got big. Have y'all laid anything for me? Got some scraps here for you. About to check and see if I have any eggs. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Got that locked. Okay. Please be some chickens. I mean some eggs. Butt nuggets, my husband calls them. Oh yeah, there's an egg, but it's cracked. It's all good. It's all good. There's one. There's one way over there. Oh, I got eggs. Oh, oh, I got another egg. Okay, y'all know I'm excited, right? I'm excited. Let me pause it.